gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my November Heroes Tower mystery box. Guys, I look forward to this one every single month, and now that we have the craft challenge going on, it gets a lot more fun each and every single month. So without further ado, let's see what I got this time. Okay, guys, so, woo, here's my box. Alrighty-dighty, let's take a sneak peek. Ooh, inside there, lots of bubble wrap. Is there something breakable? I don't know. Okay, guys, so here's all the information about the Heroes Tower. This is a geeky subscription box that you can get on Cratejoy, and this one is catered towards the things that I like, but they have a plethora of options on the Cratejoy website, so make sure that you jump over and check them out. And if you don't see a theme or something that is particularly what you were interested in, reach out to them, ask them if they can possibly make a box catered towards more of the things that you like, and perhaps they can do that. So just reach out and ask them, and maybe they can cater to the things that you like, as they do for me. Okay, guys, I also get an item list in mine. Now, I'm not sure if he's doing that for all of the boxes yet, but it's going to be coming very soon, so look forward to that if you are already getting this box. Okay, guys, I'm going to jump in and I'm going to do the unboxing of the actual box for this month of November, and then we'll go ahead and jump into the craft item challenge. And I gotta say, guys, this one was pretty hard. I'm just saying, I was like, what the heck am I gonna make? I figured it out. Is it great? It's okay. We'll see how that goes. All right, so let's pop in here. Ooh, this one says craft item, so we're gonna set that aside. We're gonna do that later. And does this have anything on it? No, it looks like it's part of the box. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh, that's the new challenge item. All right, so it looks like this is my box for this month. I've got all kinds of goodies in here, guys. I just don't know where to look. All right, so let's go ahead and pop this open. I love that it's purple tissue paper. Yes, please. You can see my crazy purple look today. I'm wearing that awesome metallic lip gloss I got in one of my boxes. So excited. Okay, guys, let's pop this puppy open and see what goodies I have this month. Oh, so exciting. Ah! Okay, guys, here is a little package of goodies. So let's go ahead and pop this open and see what awesome things we got in here. Looks like we have a Wonder Woman lanyard. I mean, what? Okay, guys, so check it out. I could totally see this on a Wonder Woman Christmas tree topper. I'm just saying, brainstorming, that would be totally awesome. Loving that. All right, let's dig in here. Oh, yes, please. Ah, Optimus Prime keychain. Again, he will be fantastic on a Christmas tree. Guys, I would use these keychains if I wasn't so afraid that they would get messed up. You know how you carry your keychains, and if you carry them for a very long time, eventually they get messed up. I don't want that to happen. Optimus Prime. Hello. So I think if I make them into ornaments, that would be a much better use for these things. So I have a video on that. I'll have it linked in the description box below if anyone is curious how I did that. All right, guys, that's that one. What else do we have in here? Ooh, we got a pretty awesome Spider-Man. Check him out, guys. Yes, please. He's so awesome. Oh, I love him. Yes, that's so cute. Again, probably will put him on my Christmas tree. Check out the flash. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Check him out, guys. How cool is that? Oh, that is so super fun. I'm going to add them to my Christmas tree, which I will hopefully have up before Christmas. We'll see how that goes. All right, what is this little note in here? Why a large amount of keychains and hanger items in this mystery box? You'll find out why in the craft challenge item. Oh no! It's a challenge! Okay, so I may have to think of something else to make because I've already done the keychains. Or I've already done the ornaments. Okay, so here we have some postcard and an awesome handmade magnet. So let's check this out, guys. Oh, it's an awesome Wonder Woman. Look how cool this is. Well, you can't look at it because I'm looking at it. Look at how cool this is, guys. This is so super fun. Definitely got to start framing all this stuff and figuring out some really cool ideas for the postcards and those little 4x6 prints that I get in my KOF and a monthly. I have ideas for that, and I'm going to be incorporating that into my geeky room now. It's not just a geeky area. It's turning into a whole room, but that's okay. I'm loving it. All right, and then we have, oh yes, we have an awesome Spider-Man magnet. This is a handmade item. Love handmade stuff. I think it is totally awesome, and I really appreciate that they take the time to do that. And he always does, I forgot to mention, he always includes the postage stamp so that you can send somebody a geeky hello with your postcard. So that is super awesome. All right, so let me put these things back in here so that I can move on to the next item. Ooh, what do we got in here, guys? Uh-oh. It's one of those Funko Pop things. I know that, but I don't know who it is yet. So let's open it up and see. Rhea. Oh, the last dragon. Okay, that's cool. Yes. Look, guys. So awesome. Oh, that's so cool. All right, let's take it out. Let's take a sneak a peek at it. God, I love my Wonder Woman one and the little boxes that he made to go with her. She looks amazing in the area that I have her in. This one is so awesome, guys. Check that out. Looks kind of like me, right? Sort of. This one looks much better, but I'm just saying. But does my head look that big? At any rate, guys, this is so super cool, and it will definitely look awesome in my little area that I have going on. So that, I think, wraps up the box. Does it wrap up the box for this month? I don't know. I have the craft item, and then this had a note on it, so let's take this out. A new challenge item. Okay, so this is a challenge item, so we're going to do that last. So let me take a breather and let me reorganize this little area here, and we're going to jump into what the craft challenge results are from the previous month, and then we'll see what the new craft challenge is for the month of December. Okay, guys, so I gotta say the craft challenge is one of the most exciting things about this box, so I'm super excited to see what Chad made with a Lego base plate. Yeah, that's what he sent me for the craft challenge item for last month. So let's see what Chad came up with, and then I'll show you what I came up with for this craft challenge item. So here's Chad. So let's see what he did. Open it up here. I'm sure he came up with something far better than I did. But guys, I tried. I'm just saying, that was like, dude, what am I going to make? But I love challenging. Oh, that is so cute. Stop it! Oh, and you can like hang it up and stuff too. Oh, stop it. And they have all their weapons. I can't. Oh, I can't. Stop it. Oh, his is far better, guys. Like, way better than what I came up with. So check it out, guys. We have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle wall hanging. How cute is that, guys? All right, so check it out first and foremost. This is so incredibly cool. So obviously he just stacked up some Legos here and then he attached little guys. But guys, check this out. On the back here, I can hang it on the wall. I mean, what? That is really super cool and inventive. So I'm definitely going to be hanging this in my geeky area. I have a perfect place for it because I had a space that I was like, what am I going to put there? I think he read my mind because he made me something that will fit perfectly in that space. So I'm super excited about that. Let me show you guys the rest here. He even gave me the stuff to hang it on the wall with, which is really cool. But guys, I have their weapons. So let me open this up for you guys. This is going to be so super fun. So we have Donatello's weapon right here. Yay! So I can stick that on him. Then we have Leonardo's sword. Check it out. Check it out. Loving that. We're going to set that right there. Then we have Michelangelo's nunchucks. Yes, please. That is awesome. And then we have the twin sai for Raphael. So that is awesome. Yay! That is so cool. Chad, this is so super awesome. So, you know, he has a leg up on me because he has an idea of what he's going to make with this stuff when he sends it to me, where I have no idea. So he made something really cool. Let me show you what I made. His is super cool. I'm not going to lie. His is way better than mine. But let me grab mine. I made a frame. So the picture just kind of leans back in the frame here, but I just made a frame for my Captain America 4x6 art print that is by Megan E. Risk. This came in one of my KL Fandom monthly boxes. So I thought, you know what, I'll just go ahead and build a little frame for my Lego guy. And like this part here is just so that he can lean back without falling out. So that's all I did in the back there, but it's going to be facing forward. And then I can also put some cool fun stuff in the front here because I still have space that I could maybe put some Captain America related stuff. So I think it turned out cool, but I mean, it's not great, right? I mean, Chaz is super inventive and super cool. Wait till I put the weapons on these guys. They're going to look so awesome. So guys, let me know in the comments below, which one was your favorite? Chad's, or mine. I love Chad's. Chad's is so super cool. So let me know in the comments below. This is just all in good fun, guys. Let me know which craft was your favorite this month. Did you like Chad's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle wall hanging or my frame for my Captain America art print? Guys, this is so super fun. I love it. All right, so let me set these aside here because we don't want anything to happen to them. Oh, that's so. That is so cool. I just love that. That's adorable. Okay, so now let's see what he has in store for next month. So we have this in here, but let's read it here. It says new item challenge, comic book round 2. You can use this comic book or any other comic book in your arsenal. Only rule is you cannot ask anyone for help. Okay, so I have to come up with a craft for a comic book. And this one he sent me is a Batman and Son DC Comics. Check this out, guys. So, since it will be the month of December that this craft challenge will be coming out, it's so funny because I'm working on some comic book stuff right now. It's not a tree. It won't be any type of tree thing at all with this comic book. I have something else completely different in mind. So I already have an idea, Chad. I sure hope that you're bringing it because I'm going to bring it this time too. So guys, I have to come up with something for a comic book and for my craft challenge for next month, and Chad is going to do the same. I'm not going to ask anybody for ideas. Believe me, I already have plenty of ideas. I just have to decide which one I'm going to display. Maybe I'll do a couple. We'll see how it goes. All right, guys, this was so super fun. Chad always puts together an awesome box, guys. This can be found on Cratejoy. Again, this is called the Heroes Tower Mystery Box. I'll have a link in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Okay, guys, so, woo! Here's my box. Yeah, hold on. Okay, guys, so, woo! Here's my box. I'm not showing the box. We're gonna take it out. Let's open this up, give you guys a sneak a peek. And, looks like I cut through that. All right, I'm a mess. Try it again. Okay, guys, so they always provide, this. I ripped it. I really ripped it. I know I just said I ripped it, but like I really ripped it. Okay. One more time.